In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product bundle in Wix. This can be incredibly beneficial for your online store, as it encourages customers to buy more by offering them a compelling combination of products. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to navigate to Wix.com and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard. This is your central hub, giving you access to all the tools you need to manage your site effectively. Next, locate the search button, typically found in the upper area of your dashboard. Click on it and type in Bundles. This handy feature allows you to find the bundle options quickly without having to scroll through various menus. After typing Bundles and pressing Enter, you'll see an option labeled Bundles. Go ahead and click this option. If you're doing this for the first time, you might see a prompt or an option to add the Bundles feature to your site. Just click to add and make sure to agree to any terms that appear. A pop-up may request your confirmation. Just click the Agree button to proceed. With the Bundles feature now part of your website tools, click on Open. You'll find yourself in an environment where you can start creating exciting offers for your customers. Now it's time to start configuring your offer. Look for the Create Offer button and click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to input all the necessary information for your offer. This includes details about the products you want to bundle, pricing strategies, and any special conditions or discounts available. As you set up your bundle, pay attention to the layout options. Wix provides some flexibility here, allowing you to choose how you want your offer to appear on your site. This could be vital in making your bundle visually appealing and, therefore, more enticing to potential buyers. Once you're satisfied with the information and layout, consider how many products you wish to include in your bundle. Remember, the idea is to create a value proposition that your customers can't resist, so choose products that complement each other well. After deciding on the right number and combination of products, be sure to save your offer, and that's it. You've successfully created a product bundle in Wix. This feature can significantly improve your customers' shopping experience by providing them with curated deals that are both appealing and cost-effective. It's an excellent strategy for boosting sales and adding value to your store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.